So here's the general strategy. Over here we have the graph that shows line segment BC with endpoints 6, 9 and 8, -7. And we want to write the equation of the perpendicular bisector, which is this green line. The perpendicular bisector is a line that passes through the midpoint of the segment and is perpendicular to the segment. To write the equation of a line, you need to know two things: the slope of the line and at least one point that it passes through. So we start by finding the midpoint of BC using the midpoint formula, and that will be the average of the x's. 6 plus 8 is 14. Half of 14 is 7. And the y-coordinate of the midpoint will be 9 plus -7 is 2. Half of 2 is 1. So there's the coordinates of the midpoint right there, 7, 1. Now, we also need to find the slope of the red segment, BC, and the green line will have a slope that's the negative reciprocal of the slope of the red line. So here I found the slope of BC, which is the change in y over the change in x. That's 9 minus a -7 is 16. Over 6 minus 8 is a -2. So the slope of BC is -8. And that means the slope of the green line must be 1/8. Now at this point, I've used, point slope. So the line passes through 7, 1, and the slope of the perpendicular is, I should say this is the midpoint here. The slope of the perpendicular is 1/8. So point slope means y minus the y-coordinate of the point that we know. That's y minus 1 equals the slope times x, the quantity x minus x of 1. Which is what we have right here. And it certainly looks like that is the perpendicular bisector of BC. We could put this in slope-intercept form by distributing the 1/8. And then adding 1 to both sides, that would be plus 8/8. So another equation for the perpendicular bisector is 1/8 x plus 1/8. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.